So, remember this guys, ito yung gift na nabili natin. Ayan, so, yes. Ayan na at dumating na ang aking jusawa at nandiyan ako sa bahay.
Ich wünsche Ihnen alles Gute, möge der Herr alle Wünsche Ihres Herzens erfüllen. Danke, dass Sie immer für mich da sind. Bist du das für mich glücklich? Bist du da für mich glücklich machst und das Gefühl hast, dass ich schön bin. Ich bin so gesegnet und dankbar. Dankbar, dich in meinem Leben zu haben. Du bist der beste Husband und Vater. Ich liebe dich so sehr. Viele Grüße. Happy birthday. Oh,
It's my gift! It's a perfume.
Wow, it's expensive, man.
Expensive. It's okay because it's from your money. Happy birthday. Perfume! I taste it. It's good. Taste it. It's good. Smells good. Hello. The very handsome lobby. Oops. It's another car. Go baby, go baby.
Rechts abbiegen. Dann befindet sich das Ziel auf der linken Seite.
Kami ulit sa Mongolhan. Celebrate namin ng birthday na aking asawa. At yes, karating lang namin. Pahinga lang kami. Tapos mamaya, simulan na namin ng kainan. Kainan. Ang ganda dito kasi sobrang daming pagpipili ang pagkain. Tapos talagang worth talaga yung gastos mo dito sa pagkain nila. Ayan, so yun. Suturo kayo later. Pala yung pagkain nila dito guys. Ang sarap! Oh, this one. Oh, ayan. Tapos ito ano to, kanin? Kanin. Meron sila ditong chicharap. Fries. Daming food. Videohin ko na lang muna. Ayan. Tapos, meron doon. Wait lang. Yan, aking asawa kumukuha. Meron ditong bread. And, what else? That one. And in the other side, guys, meron dito mga sushing malaki. Pati yan. Oh, ang sarap. And nandito naman yung mga fruits. Ayan. Ganda. Yeah. Another taste. Ooh. Kukuha na ako ng pagkain ko. Kakain na ako. Ito yung kasama ko kumukuha. I like shrimp. Huh?
You're cooking the shrimp.
Oh, yeah. I like the big one, Malawi. Can you get for me, Malawi? It's the one, the one.
Oh, look, shells. Jacob's shells.
What is this? Jacob's
Shell.
Marshalls. Oh, okay. I like this, Malawi.
How many?
5. Yeah. Oh, a lot.
This was beef. Another also?
Only, oh. Maybe let me taste this. Only one. One for now. And one for this one. It's tahong ni Carla. Laki ng tahong nila dito. Yeah. Finish. Sausage? There, another side. Oh.
Yeah, octopus.
What is this?
Octopus.
Octopus? That one. I don't like.
And they're from chicken. Because he doesn't like chicken. Right. If the people not a lot of food and not don't like it, and for the trash, yeah, it's okay. Okay.
Good. Happy birthday, boy. ka nakasya. Ano to, plate. Ayan. Ito yung pangalawa ko. Yung sa asawa ko. And then, ito yung una niya. Wala nang laman. Lagyan ko na. So, ayun na siya. Happy birthday, Malaki. Happy na birthday?
Okay. That's all lucky.
Oh. We're just fat but old. Before the plate is big, right? The plate before is big.
Yeah, a lot.
Now not smaller.
Yeah, before was bigger, the place.
I'm yeah, addition na.
It's small?
Smaller, yeah. What okay?
Hindi pinaluto namin. Big shrimp eh. A lot of shrimp tonight.
Yeah, lots of shrimp is good.
It's big. Tomorrow, no eat. For tonight, again. We don't have citron.
I can ask.
Citron is good in here. Before, they have in the slice,
I
yeah?
look.
Hanapan niya ako ng ba yun? Napunta saan? Yan, saan pala bro? Hanapan ako ng asawa ko ng ano na lemon. One plate down.
So they empty.
Okay, it's okay. This is the big shell. This is the shell that has pearl inside. It's a good sauce. Get a good sauce. Spicy. Tahong. We call it tahong. This tahong. My food now is all shrimp is marami. But shrimp, it's completed, yeah? But when you buy it in that, it's expensive. The completed, the fresh one, right?
I think the freshest for the Philippines is fresh from the ocean, eh?
It's still it's still alive. It's still moving. You get it. And the shrimp will still jumping. And the crabs is rolling.